Hi, LinkedIn ads fans out there. So many students have asked me this question: how to track conversions using an event specific pixel, especially when there is no unique URL. So let's say if somebody submits their information on the contact us page and goes to a thank you page, then it is very easy to track that thank you page using conversion tracking. But let's say what happens if they don't go to a thank you page and remains on the same URL. Or for example, let's say in my case, if somebody clicks on let's get started and goes to my Google Data Studio course, which is on Udemy. So now this page is not on my website. So how do I track that clicks? So you can track that clicks using an event specific pixel, and we'll be learning about that in this lecture. So you can click on account assets here and go to conversions. Once you're on your conversion page, you can click on create a conversion, name your conversion. So for me, this would be Google Data Studio course. You can select the action that best describes your conversion action. So for us, it would be key page view. Then you can estimate how much this conversion is worth to your business. Let's say for us, it is $1. Then you need to select the window after somebody clicks or views your ad and gets converted. So let's say if somebody clicks on my ad but doesn't complete the conversion action I want, but let's say later on through Facebook ads or through Google organic search engine result page, he completes that conversion action. So will I still want LinkedIn ads to be credited with that conversion? So if that thing happens within 30 days of him clicking my ad, I want LinkedIn ads to be credited. So I'll keep this as 30 days, but you can change it to 91 or 7 days. But the default for most of you would be 30 days. Similarly for view, let's say if somebody views my ad but doesn't click my ad, unlike the previous case, he just views my ad but later on gets converted through Facebook ads or through Google ads. So will I still want LinkedIn ads to be credited with that conversions? So if that thing happens within 7 days of him viewing my ad, I would want him. I want LinkedIn ads to be converted. So you can change this to 130 or 90 days depending upon your business. For most of you, the default would be 7 days. Then you need to select the attribution model. Let's keep it last touch for each campaign. You need to select the campaigns for you would like to track conversion. So you can add those campaigns here. Now the important thing is here, define how would you like to track your conversion. So here we would not be using the site wide insight tag, but you would be using an event specific pixel. So you need to enter this URL, which is after which is this HTTPS, when you are setting up that through Google Tag Manager. But once you click on this, it doesn't give you the option to copy this part. So you need to copy the entire thing, the copy to clipboard option here, and head over to Google Tag Manager. Now I've already installed the LinkedIn event in specific tag here, but I'll show you how it is done. So you click on new here, click on tag configuration. So click on this custom image here. Then enter this, what we have copied through clipboard here. Since you only be needing the HTTPS part, so let's remove the other part here. Now we need to select the trigger. So just click on this pencil icon, click on plus, click on trigger configuration, click on all elements, click on some clicks. So when the click URL contains, so if I go to this, let's get started. This goes to my Google Data Studio course. So when the click URL contains this Google Data Studio, I want this trigger to get fired. So I'll just copy this from here, put this here, click URL contains this, and then save this tag, save this trigger. Since I've already saved this trigger, so I'm clicking this cross button here. So we already have this LinkedIn event specific trigger. Since I've already installed this tag, so I'll just click the cross button here. So we have this LinkedIn event specific tag. So let's see if this tag is working on our website or not. So let's go into the preview mode here. Enter the URL here and click on the start button. Click on continue. So you can see LinkedIn event specific tag has not been fired. Let's see what happens once we click on this. Let's get started. So you can see that the LinkedIn event specific tag got fired here. So in this way, you can create conversions using an event specific pixel, especially when there is no unique URL. So with this, I'll conclude this lecture here and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thanks so much.